Hey, Yade. We just finished lesson 3 up here. Lesson 3, September 25th, 2018. And one of the assignments called Activity 2, Statements, Question, and Answers. PASA. That's what we're going to do, PASA. Now I'm going to read the PASA. And I will go backwards because I want you to think and feel and say. So, نشله نشله نه نشله دو نه نشله دو نه نشله دو نه نشله look دو نه نشله. Now the question. نشله نشله نه نشله دو نه نشله دو نه نشله نی دو نه نشله صح نی دو نه نشله تو صح نی دو نه نشله گه تو صح نی دو نه نشله دگه تو صح نی دو نه نشله دو دگه تو صح نی دو نه نشله I'm missing I'm missing the glottal. Okay. Do dago totsoni. Do ne nishle. Look look do dago totsoni. Do ne nishle. Da look do dago totsoni. Do ne nishle. And your answer? Look look do ne nishle. Next one. Look ado ne nishle. Da look do dago hoan shane. Do ne nishle. Answer. Look ado ne nishle. Hashk ishni ado ne nishle. Da hashk ishni do dago hoan shane. Do ne nishle. Answer. Hashk ishni ado ne nishle. And the last one. Ne shane. One shane. One shane. One shane. Do ne nishle. That's my statement. Question. Da hashk ishni do dago one shane. Ado ne nishle. Answer. Hoan shanne. Ado ne nishle. Or yeah, nishle. But actually, we should say nille. Nille. I'll have to re-explain this one. I forgot that you're answering. Nille. Okay, first part's okay, nishle. But this part, nille. Okay. Right to this one too. Nille. All right. So Ohot Ela, I just I'll just make it a little bit smaller here just so you can see the whole thing. So your whole presentation's right here. That's what you want to do. Okay, that's how you present. All right. So it's in your lesson plan. So you can make a copy of the lesson plan and pass it out to somebody. Yeah.